guys can see, we're pulling up the tack strip that's in the concrete. Now the nails that are in there are buried into this concrete, and so you've got to be really careful when you pry these up. If you get really close in here, you can see that it leaves some divots. If you actually put your pry bar on it and you pry up like this, it'll leave a pit that's probably about 2 inches around. But if you do it this way, where you actually get onto the nail itself and you hit it across instead of trying to pry upwards, you can see it doesn't leave as big of a pit in your floor. And that's a size that I don't have to fill before I put the floor down.